Morning, guys. Just waiting for the host. Still, I don't have access शेयर करने के लिए. पता नहीं यार. गाइस कॉल कर रहा हूँ, 2 मिनट के लिए वेट कीजिए प्लीज। कोई कॉल उठा नहीं है। आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर नेटवर्क कवरेज क्षेत्र के बाहर है। Now I am able to. Somebody has come. Okay. So हम SCR protection के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So what are the things SCR can be protected? What are the ways SCR can be protected? Okay. Let's see. So first one is DI by DT protection. मतलब इसको सेफ भी करना है ना, SCR सेफ भी करना है, तो ज्यादा DI by DT नहीं होना चाहिए. कहाँ आएगा यार DI by DT, ज्यादा DI by DT? अगर आपने देख लिया तो राइस टाइम DI by DT, ठीक है, एंड उस समय इसका आ जाएगा DI by DT. वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब ये स्प्रेड नहीं होने का मतलब डिले टाइम, राइस टाइम, स्प्रेड टाइम. डिले टाइम के बाद राइस टाइम आ जाएगा. राइस टाइम में 0.9 देखा, 0.1 आइए टू 0.9 आइए तक ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्प्रेड हो रहा है. ये वाला अगर ज्यादा हुआ तो DI by DT ज्यादा हुआ तो क्या होगा? सो मोमेंट ऑफ कैरियर्स, मतलब दिस इज DI by DT is more, but the carriers का मोमेंट ज्यादा नहीं है. So normally what will happen is, look at this just to explain the process. P plus n minus P n plus J1 J2 J3. नॉर्मली क्या है? एनोड है, कैथोड है इधर. सो इधर गेट का सिग्नल दिया मैंने. सो प्लस माइनस हुआ तो VA के पॉजिटिव हुआ तो J2 रिवर्स बायस है. सो क्या कर रहा हूँ? DI by DT. There are many ways of switching on here now. I'll explain that how to make it on. One is VAK is greater than VBO, then it gets on. Otherwise gate signal. So what happens is ये वाला this is है ना, A plus depletion layer इधर form हो गया, more spread into N minus layer. So this is minus minus. So what will happen is there is a small spread will happen here now. There is a small kind of, when the gate current is given here now, the small layer will happen, small gap will happen. Then the current starts flowing like this here now. So it get cleared somehow, because the neutralization of the carriers here now when the gate signal is given. So how much speed the current is kind of increasing? Okay, the current flow is, it has to, carriers has to move. If the current is kind of more, DI by DT is more than the spread of your carriers, spreading capability of the carriers, then your local hotspots will be formed. So these local hotspots are formed. To avoid this one, dA by dt kind of thing, large dA by dt. So what we'll be doing, inductor. What is that we use here now? Inductor. Inductor का property क्या है? Inductor is kind of, it opposes the change in current. Change in current, so that way more change in current, so inductance will try to oppose it. So now second one is dV by dt. See, current production alag hai. High current is different, dA by dt is different. High current means that's a different story, but now the current increased within a short time. That is dA by dt here now. समझ गए ना बात मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? dV by dt production here now. So voltage across the CR should not increase drastically within no time. मतलब short duration of time में ज़्यादा voltage change नहीं होने का. See, for this, what we do normally dV by dt production, capacitor we use. क्योंकि capacitor का property वही है. You mention this point to protect the SCR from dA by dt, large dA by dt. To protect the SCR from large dA by dt, inductor is connected. Inductor is connected in series with the SCR. If dA by dt is more compared to the spread velocity of carriers, if dA by dt is more compared to spread velocity of carriers, then local hotspots are formed. Local hotspots are formed. Second one, dV by dt production. dV by dt production. Okay. Capacitor is connected. Capacitor is connected parallel to the SCR to protect from large dV by dt. Okay. So normally there is something called as a snubber circuit. What is that? There is snubber circuit. What it does is snubber circuit is nothing but simple R and C connected parallel to the SCR. Actually, what it does is it does the two things here now. One capacitor na parallel में connect कर दिया. So दूसरा resistor भी connect कर दिया. So how this looks like? Let us see. Why the resistor is kept? Okay. You want to load it. And this is what VS here. This is R and C. Capacitor RC connected. This is a thyristor here. Anode cathode here. No? This is the gate. And of course, this is load. What will happen here now? When you close the switch here now, when you close the switch, suddenly 0 to the complete voltage is appearing here now. So when the capacitor is kept, now the capacitor kind of charges here now. When you close it, and capacitor will get charged. When capacitor is fully charged, ये वाला fully charge हो गया यार. Now forward मतलब forward blocking mode में था SCR. अभी क्या हो रहा है? For example here now, in the forward blocking mode, what will happen here now? SCR is not on. लेकिन स्विच इज क्लोज्ड हियर ना, मान लो स्विच को क्लोज कर दिया, तो व्हाट विल हैपन हियर ना, फॉर एग्जांपल नो R is there, only capacity is there, capacity is trying to get charge here now, entire current is kind of going here now, capacity is kind of going to charge here now. Once the capacitor is fully charged, plus here minus here now, it get opens. But आपका SCR है ना, SCR तो off mode में, so this is completely fully charged to VS here now. When this gets charged here now, what will happen? ये वाला open circuit हो जाएगा, और SCR भी already open है forward blocking mode में. So अभी क्या? When suddenly आपने चालू करोगे, मतलब SCR को trigger करो, SCR gate signal दे दो, तभी क्या होगा यार? SCR starts conducting, तो ये वाला starts conducting होगा. लेकिन इधर प्लस माइनस है ना ऑलरेडी, entire voltage is applied across the SCR. Plus Vs suddenly is applied across the SCR here now when it gets on here. So that is kind of should be avoided. So slowly the current should kind of go. In fact, when you start it here now, high voltage is applied. Not on high voltage, you can see here now this and this voltages. So the current is going through this one. To avoid this slow discharge of the current, another resistor is kept here now. So to limit this discharge current, okay, a resistance is connected in series with a capacitor. Please mention that point here now. Capacitor R and C are connected. R and C are connected parallel to the SCR. R and C are connected parallel to the SCR. To protect the SCR from dV by dt, high dV by dt, and from high discharge current. Okay, that's about this number circuit. And what are the values? I mean, there is a small derivation which is need not worry about that, but the function of this number circuit is to protect the dV by dt, large dV by dt, and resistor purpose is to control the discharge current here now. Those are the two things we can have. And of course, if you want to have this, is what is the R value required here? So R value required is L by Vs dV by dt. This is max. This is the R value. How much R value you can keep in this number circuit? And what about the C value? C value, C is 2 zeta by R, okay, whole square into L. This is a C value for this number circuit. dV by dt maximum, we know that will be given. Zeta is the damping factor or damping ratio. And of course, L is the inductor. So this is called as number circuit here. So di by dt production हो गया, dv by dt production हो गया. There is a kind of voltage, high voltage, over voltage production क्या है? What are the things we do here now? Over voltage production. So let me do that one. Voltage अलग है, please understand. High current is different, di by dt is different. High voltage is different, high dV by dt is different. All are different scenarios. For example, SCR can carry a 5000 volts, block a 5000 volts. It is going to have a 6000 volts across the SCR, then the SCR will get damaged. 5000 is इसका rating, अगर मान लो आपने 6000 supply कर रहे, 6000 trying to block SCR is being trying to block 6000 volts, then SCR will get damaged. लेकिन क्या अगर मान लो 100 वोल्ट अप्लाई कर दिया या T इक्वल टू 0, सडनली ये वाला 100 वोल्ट्स को आपने 1000 वोल्ट्स को कर दिया within a short span of say maybe 1 microsecond, T1 equal to 1 microsecond. So what will happen here? Wala? di by dt, what dv by dt, what will happen? dv by dt, change in voltage 1000 minus 100, which is a 900, time is 1 microsecond here now. So now dv by dt kitna hai? 9 into 10 power 8. This is very high. So this should not happen. 100 volts allow hoga, 1000 volts allow hoga. It can block 100 voltage, it can block 1000 voltage. Lekin change in voltage within a short time is not allowed. That is what the dv by dt. Okay? So I hope you understand this point. Voltage, high voltage alag hai, dv by dt alag hai. High current alag hai, high dv by dt is alag hai. Yes, it's different. Okay. Another one is, as I mentioned, over voltage protection. Over voltage protection matlab, when high voltage is there, what will happen? This can be done by, we have something called as a voltage clamping devices. Something like a varistor, we call it as a varistor. What it does, these characteristics kya hai? When there is a high voltage, SCR ka resistance or resistance of the varistor decreases drastically. For example, look at here now, it's a characteristics. This is current or R here, and here wala voltage. Normally SCR ka characteristics kya hai? Voltage is kind of increase. We know this, and the current get increases here, something like this. And the reverse mode way, and it blocking. When high voltage is increasing, iska resistance kya hoga? Device ka resistance, varistor ka resistance, which is connected. Initially, there is a high resistance. Now, as the voltage increases, and you can see the resistor of this varistor decreases here now. Resistor varistor decrease means it's going to a short circuit, right? So that you won't see any kind of voltage here now. So that way, iska varistor characteristics are like this. Similarly, here also. I hope you understand this point. Resistor decrease. For example, ये वाला SCR है, इसको dy by dt से protect करना. So what I am doing is I connect some device, something called as voltage clamping device or varistor. Okay, ये क्या करेगा? अगर इसका voltage ज़्यादा हो रहा है, so ये क्या करेगा? इसका resistance कम हो जाएगा. When this resistance is reduced, it's going to a short circuit here now. When it is short circuited, इसका बीच में voltage कम होगा, बहुत कम हो जाएगा. वही voltage SCR के बीच में आ जाएगा. That's a property of this device. Okay? That is what the over voltage protection here now. Similarly, yeah, we can mention that point. When the voltage increases, low resistance region develops by varistor. Low resistance region develops by varistor, and virtually short circuits the SCR. Virtually short circuits the SCR. Okay. Now similarly, overcurrent protection. Overcurrent protection. So we have, of course, for this we have circuit breaker, which trips the circuit overcurrent के लिए. Another one is FACLF. This is fast acting current limiting. Fast acting current limiting fuse. So these are connected in series with SCR. So let me show you whatever I have drawn, all the four protections I have drawn, right? I'll show you all these. Over current protection, over dA by dt protection, over voltage protection, over dV by dt protection. कैसे represent करेगा? Let us see here now. So this is the SCR I'm interested, which I need to protect. Okay. And the current inductor add कर दिया dA by dt protection के लिए. Sorry, yeah, dA by dt protection के लिए. And I protection के लिए. I current is circuit breaker. And there is a FACLF. I told you already. Combined together. ये वाला circuit breaker है. Fast acting current limiting fuse. This is for I protection. This is for dV by dt protection. ठीक है? And now, where is dV by dt protection? Parallel में connect करना है. ये वाला. This is R and C. dV by dt protection के लिए. And where is the over voltage protection? Where is it connected? Where is it connected? Somewhere here. Anywhere you can connect here. Parallel, right? Voltage clamping device. This is for over voltage. This is for over dV by dt. This is for over dA by dt. क्योंकि इंडक्टर का प्रॉपर्टी वही है. This is for over current. That's all. Even gate also can be protected. If we talk about the gate protection, gate can be protected here. How the gate can be protected? Here also same thing. Over voltages. This is the gate, right? So over voltage means I use a Zener diode. This is Zener diode. Zener diode property, you know it maintains a constant voltage there. So gate protection may over voltage. It can be done by Zener diode connected parallelly here. And the current, over current, small resistance, which is connected, some R value, say R dash, RG. Over current को control करना, तो resistance RG is used. There is something called another one. Any unnecessary or spurious signals are obtaining to reduce the mal-operation of switching on of SCR. There is something called RC is connected here now. R and C1. R1, C1. What is the reason for R1, C1 connected here now, parallel to here now? So to avoid the unnecessary turn on of SCR. That is the reason we connect here now. Please mention this point also. R1, C1 to avoid the unnecessary turn on SCR, क्योंकि सर्किट में है ना, इसके बगल में भी दूसरा सर्किट होगा, अननेसेसरी कुछ सिग्नल्स आ जाएगा, सो गेट करंट इधर नहीं जाएगा, जो भी करंट आएगा इसके अंदर जाएगा पैरेलल, इट वोंट गो टू गेट सो दैट इट वोंट टर्न ऑन. ठीक है, so all these are kind of here now, current here now, voltage here now, unnecessary turn on a gate, so बाकी प्रोटेक्शन इधर लिख दिया. Okay. So another one is very important. There is a heat sink. ज्यादा से ज्यादा हीट आएगा, हीट को हमने प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, मतलब हीट should be taken out from the SCR. That is called heat sink. HS is heat sink. We'll discuss that up now. Heat sink. So जो भी हीट आ जाएगा SCR में, so क्योंकि लॉसेस होगा SCR में, voltage into current, or ideally speaking there should not be any loss, but turn on loss होगा, turn off loss होगा, मतलब during turn on में losses होगा, during turn off में losses होगा, and switching losses भी होगा, मतलब during off to on and on to off, that is called switching losses. So due to which heat is generated. Okay, to take out this heat sink is kept here now. Sound here, baat? So let us see, there is a gate question on the heat sink here now. What is that gate question here now? Let us see. There is so here how the loss is kind of flowing in SCR. SCR, what is happening is, first initially SCR has junction. What are the things it has here now? Junction, and then casing. We have a casing here now, and then heat sink. I'll tell you what is this here now. Heat sink and ambient. Look at here now. SCR का प्रोडक्शन कैसे होगा यार, मैंने बताया ऑलरेडी. मान लो ये वाला SCR है. What is the SCR जंक्शन के पास, पहला जंक्शन के पास आपका हीट जनरेट होगा. SCR के ऊपर एक केसिंग लगा देंगे, इसके ऊपर केसिंग है, इसके ऊपर, और केस हीट जंक्शन से केसिंग को आएगा, केसिंग से हीट सिंक को आएगा, इसके ऊपर हीट सिंक, ब्लैक कलर वन हीट सिंक रखेंगे. हीट सिंक से बाहर आना चाहिए, बाहर मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर, एम्बियंट, हवा में आप बाहर आना चाहिए. इतना जंक्शन से इतना जंक्शन में लॉस फ्लो होना चाहिए, हीट फ्लो होना चाहिए. So now all are kind of in series, right? And all are kind of in series here. How do we connect this one? The current or the loss is kind of flowing in this flow here now. So temperatures, this is the junction here now, casing C, H here now, heat sink, say S here now, we can say ambient A. So current is kind of flowing here now. Temperature alag hai idhar. Always the current will flow from higher voltage to lower voltage, lekin heat will flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. So what I'm seeing in comparison, I'm just giving the comparison here now. Thermal quantities and electrical. Thermal and electrical. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Electrical, when there is a voltage, this is a voltage. Electrical voltage difference is there. For example, here voltage V1 and voltage V2, current will flow from V1 to V2, provided V1 is greater than V2. अभी इधर क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैंने? इधर जंक्शन का temperature, right, is different. Say theta 1, theta j. Either casing का temperature is theta c, and heat will be flowing here now, or the power of the heat is flowing today when theta j is greater than theta C, high temperatures to low temperature. So voltage equivalent is, I would say, temperature. And here current, what is that flowing here now? Current is flowing when the temperature is, when the voltage difference is there, current jayega either se either. When temperature difference is there, what it will flow is we call it thermal power. Power I have drawn here now, thermal power. Or we call it as a rate of heat transfer. Rate of heat transfer. So those are the two quantities. First one is temperature and voltage. Second is current ke liye thermal power. Power either se udhar jayega. And then current is here now. And the resistance. Look at here now, voltage by current. V by I is electrical resistance. So here either be thermal quantities may be. So क्या लिख सकते हैं आपने? Thermal resistance. We called thermal resistance here now. And how do we define? Temperatures degrees में होगा. ये वाला power है ना, thermal flow is in kind of watts. So thermal resistance can be defined as here per degree upon watts. I would say here now. And normally thermal resistance is represented with theta. This is theta here now. Percentage or degree by watts here now. You can say that way, taking the ratio voltage by current resistance मिलेगा, temperature by thermal power आपको thermal resistance मिलेगा, इसका units का per degree and ये वाला watt है. So now having said this, let me write the mathematical equations here. Very important for your GATE examination. GATE examination के लिए mathematical equations लिखना चाहिए here. So let me erase this portion. So I have one by one. इन दोनों के बीच में जंक्शन और केसिंग के बीच में रेजिस्टेंस होगा डेफिनेटली thermal resistance इधर टेम्परेचर अलग है one by one. Let me show here. I'll represent like a resistance. इधर एक resistance है thermal resistance, इधर ambient है. So power is flowing here now. So the power is kind of flowing here now. P junction है ना, theta J is the junction temperature. And this is casing temperature TC and heat sink temperature TS and your ambient temperature. समझ में आ गया ना? Definitely your TJ junction should be TC and casing ambient. So आपका power flow होना चाहिए. Power flow is same throughout this one. Current will be same. Voltage अलग अलग है इधर. Normal current scenario में. इसका representation क्या है? This is theta JC thermal resistance. Theta thermal resistance. Theta CS thermal resistance between casing and sink, and theta SA. So how can I write here now? The power flow which is going here, I can write P which is given as any combination you can write. TJ minus TC upon theta JC. This is something like V1 minus V2 by R resistance. The current is obtaining. That's what I'm saying, which is equal to TC minus TS by TCS, which is equal to not only this, you can have a combination also. Matlab TJ minus TS upon ये दोनों का resistance sum. Theta JC plus theta CS. You can do this also. Any combination you can take. ठीक है, ये वाला important है आपको, क्योंकि there are gate questions here now on this thermal testing. समझ गए ना बात? So SCR का heat है, heat कहाँ आएगा? ACR heat will be generated inside the ACR at junction के पास, of course in layers. जंक्शन से आपको केसिंग को बाहर आना चाहिए, बाहर केसिंग रखा है, केसिंग के ऊपर सिंक होगा, हीट सिंक, सिंक के बाहर एम्बियंट, एम्बियंट मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर बाहर आना चाहिए. सो इसका बीच में रेसिस्टर होगा, थर्मल रेसिस्टेंस वी कॉल. टेम्परेचर्स आर डिफरेंट, हायर टेम्परेचर लोअर टेम्परेचर आएगा, thermal heat, so that I have taken a flow. Okay, just copy this. We'll solve one problem to understand this better. एक प्रॉब्लम करना है इधर, चले erase कर दें इसको.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. So एक प्रॉब्लम करना है so that you understand this better. So simple one. Okay, anyway. One more question this is. Look at this one problem, simple. So first of all, you have to draw this thing. Okay. Junction, casing, heat sink, and ambient. Thermal resistor से ये वाला theta JC, theta CS, theta SCA, and power is flowing here now. This is the power. So what is that given? Total thermal resistance is given. JC, theta CS, theta SCA is 1 degree per watt. Junction का temperature दिया. This is TJ 150 डिग्री, ये वाला 150 डिग्री है. Ambient temperature दिया directly 25 डिग्री है. Then what is the task? From maximum power dissipation P. So can I say in this case upon can I say this way? So 150 total temperature difference by total resistance 150 minus 25 upon 125 power in. So what? This is how we do it. Right. So we'll move on here now. So I'll give you one more problem for your reference. You can do it later if you want. I'll give one more here now. Let me see that. I'll write this one. You can try it later if you want. Please note it down. Very important time. I see questions, gate questions here and there. Junction temperature of thermal resistance between case and ambient. Ambient temperature. Degree. Thermal resistance between sink and ambient. What is it we need to find? It's a simple one. In fact, you can just read this one. What is the data given here one by one? Case temperature दिया, junction temperature दिया, thermal resistance between case and ambient is given, the ambient temperature is given, thermal resistance between sink and ambient is given. Okay, let me see here now. Let me finish this. So what is it given here now? Case temperature, this is given, TC 100 degree. Junction temperature, this is given 125 degree. Thermal resistance between case and ambient, ये वाला दिया magnitude. So this is case and ambient combined together. This is 0.5. And ambient temperature is given, TA 40 degree. So please understand, thermal resistance between sink and ambient. Sink and ambient, ये वाला दिया, इसका difference. How much? 0.4. It's very simple, yeah. What is that given here now? Temperature, इधर का temperature दिया. Total from here to here. Casing का ambient का दिया. What you can do, you can find the power flow from, because I know this temperature, I know this temperature. Total I have obtained here now. So you can get the power, meaning P can be obtained here now. Theta Tc minus Ta upon theta Ca. So this is 100 minus ambient is 40, total resistance 0.5, which is equal to, हमको क्या चाहिए? ये Ts चाहिए ना? Ts. So Ts का expression लिख दो. You can write these also. Ts minus Ta upon theta Sa. That is, Ts minus Ta is 40 by 0.4. Just get this value. Ts का value कितना है? That's all. Because 100 minus 40, 60 by 0.5. This is 120. 120 equal to 120 into 0.4. 120 equal to Ts minus 40 by 0.4. 120 into 0.4, 48. 48 plus 40. Total, you are getting something around 88 or so. You get something around 88. Just calculate this. Just solve this one. You'll get 120 into 40, 48, 48 plus 40. This is 88. This is your answer. I hope you understand this, how we have made. Any combination, any ratio you can take. J minus S by total resistance or J minus C by overall resistance. Either C minus S by theta CS. Combination you can do. Are you clear this problem? Clear हो गया? If you are clear, then we can move on. Is it clear? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is important problem, in fact. So let us move on here. Okay, we'll move on here now. Next one. This is about the SCR. This is what you have in the SCR. So next one is we'll talk about the diode circuits or AC to DC converters. First, we'll talk about the diode circuits. There are many gate questions on this diode circuit, although it's simple. Next topic is diode circuit. Or rather, I would say here now, AC to DC uncontrolled rectifier. So I'll give this in the form of questions. Maybe the first question here now, in the diode circuit, important one is LC network. For example, this is the one I'm giving here. All questions are asked here in the gate examination. Question is, what is the question here now? Conduction time of diode. One second. Yeah, so these are important ones. What is the conduction time or conduction period of diode if switch is closed at t equal to 0? उसके लिए waveforms देखना है, very important है वाला. This is important. LC network. DC source is given. It is closed. Where it is closed, positive voltage here now. Diode starts conducting. And let us see here now. The diode starts conducting. L and C network is there. What will happen? So options also given to you. Gate question है ना. So options भी दिया है. Pi by 2 root LC. 2 pi root LC. 3 pi by 2 root LC. And D pi root LC. So what is happening? Let us see. So I just need to apply the KVL for this. If I apply the KVL, minus Vs, diode chalu hoga conduction, and voltage L di by dt, capacitor voltage 1 by C integral I dt equal to 0. If you want, you can apply the Laplace transform. Let me L di by dt plus 1 by C integral I dt, which is Vs. I'm applying Laplace transform. Otherwise, if you are good at second order differential equation, अगर मान लो दोनों तरफ differentiation कर दिया, ये तो second order आ जाएगा. L d square by dt square 1 by C. This I हो जाएगा, and if this becomes 0, that is also fine here now. You can do that way also. Otherwise, Laplace transform, one way of doing the Laplace transform here now, because I want to get the current waveform आना चाहिए. Current कैसे जाएगा? So I can see here now L, S I of S, Laplace transform minus I of 0 plus 1 by C. I के लिए क्या है? 1 by SC. 1 by SC, I of S by C, initially some charge Q of 0 by S, which is equal to Vs by S. So there is no initial current here now. Inductor में initial current नहीं है, capacitor में initial charge नहीं. So this becomes here now SL I of S, mathematically 1 by C or 1 by SC. This is S, right? This is S. 1 by C I of S, which is equal to सब कुछ 0 हो जाएगा. Vs by S. So now I of S common ले लो. If you take I of S common, only one time derivation. So once you do the multiple time, I mean, first time it takes time. Normally, if you have practice, you'll be doing very quickly. SL 1 by SC, Vs by S. So आपका I of S होगा S square. If you do this one, S square LC 1 by SS get cancels out. So your I of S will be, I'm just writing here now, Vs by L 1 by S square plus 1 by LC. ये तो कॉमन है, Vs by L ये तो ठीक है, 1 by S square plus 1 by LC. See, for 1 by S square plus A square, if you have a Laplace inverse, something like what I am doing here now, 1 by S square plus A square, and the numerator is A by, for example, A by S square plus A square. What is the Laplace inverse of this one? A by S square plus A square. So what I am doing here now, can I say something like this? Vs by L and 1 by omega naught by S square plus omega naught square. Just see here now where omega naught equal to 1 by root LC. Can I write this one? You don't know same, I know you don't know equations. Omega naught is 1 by LC, omega naught square 1 by LC हो जाएगा. Omega naught get cancels out. So why I have written like this? क्योंकि Laplace inverse चाहिए. So Laplace inverse, for this I know the Laplace inverse. ये तो constant है, ये वाला. इसका Laplace inverse पता है. Just about mathematics only, nothing I am doing here. So Laplace inverse of that, Vs by L, omega naught 1 by root LC. So root LC will be go on top. So this becomes a Laplace inverse of this. What is this? Is sine omega naught t. So root L get cancels out. One root L will be remaining. Vs into root C by L sine omega naught t is the current here. Very important one. So this can be, you can say Im sine omega naught t, where Im equal to, Im का value क्या है? Im which is equal to Vs root C by L. So need not worry about this kind of derivation here now. But अभी से आप याद रखना, first equation I'm asking you to remember. एलसी नेटवर्क में मतलब क्योंकि ये वाला एक्सप्रेशन हम चॉपर में भी यूज हो जाएगा। एलसी नेटवर्क में करंट कितना जाएगा अगर आपने टीसी दिया तो करंट इज आई इक्वल टू वीएस रूट सी बाय साइन ओमेगा नॉट। लेकिन क्या है ओमेगा नॉट में साइन फंक्शन मींस दिस इज अ साइन फंक्शन, करंट देखा जा रहा है पाई के बाद करंट इज गोइंग नेगेटिव, लेकिन डायोड रखा है। when diode is kept, diode will not allow the current to go inside, current negative current नहीं जाएगा डायोड में, तो how the waveforms will be there. Okay, just copy this one. I'll draw the waveforms here. So very important one. First time I'm drawing the waveforms. The waveforms are getting started now, and then conceptually सीखना पड़ेगा, not just simply draw the waveforms and move on. Conceptually सीखना, इसलिए क्वेश्चन दिया मैंने, क्वेश्चन को आंसर करना है। अभी डायोड कितना टाइम पीरियड के लिए कंडक्शन में होगा, दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन। So let me see here now. So network, don't forget the network. I'm sorry, AC will come later. First we're talking about DC only. एक डायोड है, this is diode L and C. Whatever the current is coming, current. So what is the waveform I have obtained? Current which is equal to Vs root C by L sin omega naught t, where omega naught equal to 1 by root LC. Let me draw the waveform. Okay. First of all, supply voltage drop here. I'm just showing here now supply voltage. This is supply voltage, straight line DC voltage. VSI. Now what is the current? Current we have obtained is sine function, sin omega t, sine function है, लेकिन कहाँ तक है? Sine function it won't go negative, so 0 to pi तक है, क्योंकि pi to 2 pi it won't allow. Pi to 2 pi it won't allow here now. Then 2 pi के बाद भी allow नहीं होगा, क्यों मैं बता रहा हूँ, बाद में बताता हूँ। इधर क्या diode will not, the question is, the thing is diode will not allow negative current. So diode का influence आ गया, अगर diode नहीं तो करंट नेगेटिव करंट में जाएगा, डायोड है इसलिए तो नेगेटिव करंट नहीं आएगा। गुड, देन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग देयर, नेक्स्ट करंट आ गया। आई वांट टू नो द, ठीक है यार, टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन मैंने क्या पूछा, कंडक्शन पीरियड ऑफ डायोड। सो कंडक्शन पीरियड ऑफ डायोड ओनली अप टू पाई ओनली, सो आई कैन से ओमेगा टी नॉट इक्वल टू पाई, ओनली पाई, सो टी नॉट कंडक्शन पीरियड ओमेगा by pi, so omega is 1 by root LC, so it becomes here now pi root LC. So diode conducts only period of pi root LC. I think option D. I have given the option D. That's okay. If I ask you how the voltage across the inductor is there and how the voltage across the VC, a capacitor, I would like to draw that also there. Voltage across the inductor, voltage across the capacitor. Now let us see. If I ask you that also. So VL, everything is mathematical expression here now. So अभी VL क्या लिख सकते हैं आपने? Voltage across the inductor. So I can have LdI by dt. So it becomes LdI by dL, dI by dt. I क्या है इधर? This is I. So I equal to Im sin omega naught t. इसको डिफरेंशिएशन करो. Im cos omega naught t into omega naught. So this becomes here now, substitute karo. This is Im is Vs root c by L, omega naught is 1 by root LC, and ye wala cos omega naught. So what will happen here now? Let us see. Root LC get cancels out. देखा इधर root L है, इधर root L, root C, ये दोनों cancel होगा. So you're remaining with Vs cos omega naught t. So ये वाला function draw करो, cos function है ना? So how do we draw this? Cos function. This is 90, this is 180 pi. Cos function either. So this will be this is a cos. इसके बाद क्या हो गया? VL current has become 0. Current 0 हो गया, तो आपका voltage भी 0 होगा. This is VL. Cos function है Vs cos omega t. ये वाला maximum. This is Vs. 90 cos function. So when current becomes 0, this has become 0. Then voltage across inductor becomes 0 after this. Very important point ये वाला. So क्योंकि current 0 हो गया, क्योंकि इधर देखो इंडक्टर ओपन हो गया तो करंट 0 हो गया, इसलिए VL voltage across the inductor also becomes 0 here. Look at VC, voltage across the capacitance. This is very important. VCA. Again VC, how do you get VC? VC also again a mathematical derivation. VC which is equal to 1 by C integral I dt. If you substitute this current value, I know the mathematical expression that you are going to get is, I remember this, Vs 1 minus cos omega naught t. You can just verify it if you want. Then you want to substitute karo omega naught 0, 1. So initially it is 0. This is 0. Then at 90, 90 cos 90, this is 0. Magnitude becomes Vs. And cos pi minus 1. So 2 Vs it becomes. 2 Vs it becomes. This is Vs. This is 2 Vs. And उसके बाद क्या है? करंट 0 हो गया. इसके बाद करंट 0 हो गया तो नेटवर्क ओपन हो गया. लेकिन वोल्टेज है इधर, वोल्टेज कहीं नहीं जाएगा. कैपेसिटर हैज ए कैपेबिलिटी टू स्टोर द एनर्जी. So it is in the form of charges or it depends upon the voltage. So this voltage will be maintained constant continuously here. This value is 2 Vs. So if somebody asks the question, what is the maximum voltage across the capacitor? Or what is the voltage across the capacitor when the diode stops conducting? There is a great question also I said. Diode stops conducting हो गया, ठीक है, ये बंद हो गया, तो कितना वोल्टेज है कैपेसिटर के बीच में? ये वाला 2 Vs है. लेकिन इंडक्टर में कितना वोल्टेज है? इंडक्टर में 0 वोल्टेज. So 2Vs is the voltage. लेकिन क्या है यार, at any time KVL अगर KVL डाल दिया तो ये satisfy होना चाहिए. You can verify. Vs equal to Vd plus VL plus Vc. Always it should be satisfied. Is it satisfied? Just see here now. इधर देखो, जीरो पे देखो, जीरो में Vc जीरो है, VL is Vs, Vd is zero. Okay, let me draw the Vd also. Three voltages, Vd, VL, Vc. So if we draw that, Vd so what will happen here? Up to 180. 180 तक क्या है? This is 180. 180 तक diode conduction में है ना? So current जा रही है, so diode भी conduction है. So ideally there is no voltage. Once it gets stops, ये open हो गया, ठीक है? So omega t greater than pi के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Diode is open, inductor is here, capacitor is here now. आपका supply इधर है Vs. So this is what I am talking about, voltage across the diode. Voltage across the inductor VL 0 है. Voltage across the capacitor Vs कितना है यार? 2 pi के बाद, pi के बाद, this is 2Vs. समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? So अगर आपने KVL को अप्लाई कर दिया तो what is that you are going to obtain KVL? Minus Vs plus Vd, VL नहीं है इधर, VL is 0 and Vc का वैल्यू 2Vs है, which is equal to 0. So Vd का वैल्यू is minus Vs. So it becomes minus Vs continuously. So you can verify this one. ये वाला always true है. Pi by 2 में देखो. So Vs is the voltage, VL 0 हो गया, Vc Vs हो गया, Vd 0. 2 pi में देखो, Vs equal to VL plus Vc plus Vd. इसका वोल्टेज होना चाहिए सम ऑफ VL, Vc, Vd ऐड करो. Any position, 0, 90, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, whatever the scenario, mathematically satisfy होना चाहिए. So to answer your question, so first one question में मेरा question क्या है? Diode कितना time period conduction में जाएगा? So that has done. If I ask you the second question, if I ask you the question क्या है? So what is the voltage across the capacitor when the diode is off, at the end of the diode turn off? So that is 2Vs. The maximum voltage across the capacitor is 2Vs. You can mention that point also. Maximum voltage across the capacitor is 2Vs. ये वाला important है, मैंने बता दिया already. Okay. Copied? Just let me know once you copied the waveforms and the scenario. Please try to understand the scenarios. Copied? I'm just waiting. Not copied, just let me know. भास्कर, साहू, महिंद्रा, है ना आप लोग?
यस सर।
ओके, कॉपीड है नहीं? वेट करना।
बस हो गए सर।
ओके ओके फाइन। एक और गेट प्रॉब्लम है। इधर पूछा कि इनिशियल कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज कुछ रखा है। इससे पहले ये वाला क्या इनिशियल वोल्टेज नहीं है कैपेसिटर में। सेम नेटवर्क एलसी है। इनिशियली कैपेसिटर चार्ज विद सम वोल्टेज वी नॉट। तो उस समय व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज आफ्टर स्टॉपिंग डायोड कंडक्शन। इधर क्या है, क्वेश्चन क्या है, मैंने डायोड का कंडक्शन टाइम पूछा, ये वाला डायोड का कंडक्शन है। और सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा मैंने, डायोड बंद होने के बाद, मतलब डायोड इधर बंद हो गया, बंद होने के बाद व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द कैपेसिटेंस। वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटेंस कितना है डायोड बंद होने के बाद, फाइनल वोल्टेज कितना है कैपेसिटर का। एनीवन कैन समवन टेल मी। डायोड बंद होने के बाद इधर बंद हो गया 2Vs, एग्जैक्टली, वेरी नाइस। तो 2Vs है। तो अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा हूँ, सेकंड क्वेश्चन आई राइट इट हियर नाउ। So let me write that. Very interesting. This is also asked in examination. Second network is here now. If capacitor is initially charged with V naught, then if capacitor is initially charged with V naught, then what is the capacitor voltage what is the capacitor voltage when diode stops conducting. So the same thing here now. The network is pretty much simple. Whatever we have drawn. Same VSI. Switch आपने close कर रहे. इधर diode है. Inductor. What it is given here now? Initial capacitor. We know capacitor can store this one. VC of 0 minus is V naught initially before closing the switch. You know, in transient analysis of network में सीखा हुआ होगा. Otherwise, if I take the networks, I can also take the networks. Normally, I take machines, power electronics, and networks, power systems. All these four subjects I'll take. Almost all core subjects of electrical. So, transient analysis may T, if you close the switch at T equal to 0, this is VSC now, supply voltage. And you have a diode, inductor, initially this is given. But I want VC, of course, this is the VC here now. VC 0 minus there, which is equal to V naught. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है, कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज कितना होगा VC आफ्टर डायोड स्टॉप्स कंडक्टिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो व्हाट इज द करंट हियर, देन ओनली आई गेट द करंट. पता चलना चाहिए. ये पता करने के बाद करंट का वैल्यू, VC का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना. सो हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैसे लिख सकते हैं, रीड्रॉ कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको, कैपेसिटर को. ऑफ कोर्स स्विच को क्लोज कर दिया, डायोड चालू हो गया, इंडक्टर इधर है. When capacitor is initially charged with VC0 in transient analysis of the capacitor property, I know I can draw as a voltage in series with the capacitor. Do you agree with me? So do you agree with me? I can draw initially, if any capacitance is there, I can draw the capacitor something like this, so that you complete one. This is what the VC here now. इधर है ना voltage, जो भी voltage मैंने represent कर दिया, this is what the VC of 0 minus, which is equal to V naught, upper plate positive I, total is VC. So one point you should understand is, when initial voltage is there, capacitor can be drawn in series with the initial voltage. Similarly, inductor में initial current high दिया तो inductor कैसे draw कर सकते? Inductor can be drawn with a parallel current source when initial current is there. So we learn in networks anyway, don't worry. But अभी के लिए तो आप याद रख देना कि capacitor को series voltage से represent कर सकते. आइए इधर. So KVL डालो. If you write the KVL here now, what will happen is simple expression minus Vs minus KVL minus Vs plus V naught, which is equal to minus Vs plus V naught plus L di by dt 1 by C integral I dt equal to 0. So it becomes L di by dt plus 1 by C integral I dt, which is equal to Vs minus V naught. इससे पहले वाले इक्वेशन में क्या है? इससे पहले वाले इक्वेशन में हमको L di by dt plus 1 by C I dt equal to Vs मिला. अभी Vs minus V naught मिला. तो करंट एक्सप्रेशन क्या आएगा हमको? करंट कैन बी रिटन डायरेक्ट लाइन राइट. प्रीवियसली Vs अंडरस्कोर रूट C by L मिला. इधर क्या है? Vs minus V naught मिल जाएगा. Nothing else. Root C by L. Need not draw every time. Need not do derive every time because same expression है. Only magnitude change हो गया. So means I'll draw the current waveform. One by one I can draw. So current is same here now. This is Im sin omega t, but this time Im का value अलग है. So careful. And after this, diode stops conducting. It won't conduct. इसका maximum है ना? ये Im maximum value is Vs minus V naught root C by L. All questions are asked, please. You should not get bored. You should not feel kind of tired. See, ये वाला questions पूछा है, mathematically करना है. So आपको पूरा conclusions दे रहा हूँ मैंने. ठीक है? So then, what should I do? Next one is VL and VC. First, let me draw the VC because capacity is asked, right? Let me draw the VC here now. VC. So I told you VC matlab total VC from here to here VC. So initial voltage V naught plus 1 by C integral 0 to t. ये ना VC मतलब ये initial voltage V naught. Next इसमें voltage 1 by C कहाँ से 0 to t I of dt. So this becomes here now the mathematical expression for VC. अब जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया तो इसका वैल्यू मिलेगा V naught plus this one I'm just writing here now Vs minus V naught. Previously हमको कितना मिला? वैल्यू कितना मिला हमको उधर? Something like Vs into 1 minus cos omega t. Vs into 1 minus cos omega t. अभी वोल्टेज कितना? Vs minus V naught 1 minus cos omega t. If you want, you can do mathematically also. This is Vc. So now if we draw the curve here, very important one, omega 0, initial one. Omega 0 वो तो initially current कितना है? 1 minus ये वाला 1 है, cos 0 1. So ये completely ये वाला 0 हो जाएगा. So V naught से चालू होगा. Please understand this is pi by 2. So initial voltage is V naught. So I have started from V naught here. Then at pi by 2 substitute करो. Cos pi by 2 0. 1 here. So V naught plus Vs minus V naught. ये कितना हो गया? Vs आ गया. This is Vs. This is V naught. And इधर pi by 2 में substitute करना है. हम substitute कर रहा हूँ बस. Vs 2 pi में कितना आएगा? Just substitute here now. Cos 2 pi -1, 2, 2Vs, okay, minus 2V0. So 2Vs minus V0. You can verify it. And इसके बाद no change in the voltage. ये वाला magnitude है ना 2Vs minus V0. इससे पहले कितना आया? इससे पहले कितना आया हमको? 2Vs है. End of the period, the voltage across the capacity is 2Vs minus V0 है. So to answer your question, what is the question that I asked? Question क्या पूछा मैंने? What is the capacitor voltage when the diode stops conducting? Diode इधर बंद हो गया. इधर बंद हो गया diode. So now you can just voltage across this one is VC. That will be continuous, will be there. 2Vs minus V0 is the voltage. 2Vs minus V0 is the voltage across the capacitor. Okay. Right. If you want, you can draw VL also there. VL is LdI by dt. Current is here now, LdI by dt. You are obtaining LdI by dt. So that is Vs cos omega t. You are obtaining here now. But anyway, this is how again the conduction diode ka period kitna hai? If somebody asks what is the time period which is conducted here now, omega t equal to pi only, diode conduction here now, t equal to again omega t by pi. So this is how we need to answer the questions here now. This is again question asked in the gate examination. So initially capacity charged. So try to remember here. If you one equation आपने current का याद रख दिया ना, Vs by root CL sin omega t इधर भी है ना, तो याद रख लें कि बहुत आसान है, ज़्यादा दिक्कत भी नहीं. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना Vs minus V0, कैपेसिटर वोल्टेज Vc भी, ठीक है. इनिशियली अपर प्लेट इज V0 plus Vs minus V0 1 minus cos omega t. So there is a pattern. If you keep all your circuits at one place, you can observe one pattern here. Okay. And other one is next circuit is we'll assume that there is no source, voltage source nahi hai. Then what will happen? Initially, there is some voltage. Then there is no source voltage Vs. Then what is the current here now? Or the capacitor voltage at end of the diode stops conducting. Let us do that one. Third one. Let us see ये वाला source नहीं अभी source नहीं तो क्या होगा देखेंगे. Let us see here. Okay, let us see that. Third network is Vs equal to 0, source supply voltage 0, capacitor is initially charged with V0. Capacitor is initially charged with V0. For example, there is no source. Switch is here, and I have a inductor only. Only one capacitor. This is now the capacitor. Okay, capacitor acts as source. So what I was saying here now, initially there is a voltage of V0. This is the V0. L is here now. And if diode is kept, see diode nahi to properties alag hoga. Diode is here now. So what will happen if the switch is closed at t equal to 0? capacitor initially charged with V naught. Question क्या है इधर? Question is here now. Again the same thing. Find the capacitor voltage when diode stops conducting. Find the capacitor voltage when diode stops conducting. Diode stops conducting कौन सा है? मतलब मान लो ये वाला क्लोज कर दिया, स्विच को क्लोज कर दिया, so इंडक्टर इधर है, initial capacitor voltage. Look at here now. How can I write this one? Capacitor. ये वाला non-relaxed capacitor, initial charge, initial voltage V naught है. So a battery in series with a capacitance. So आपका current ऐसा जा रहा है ना, I is kind of going like this. V naught is the voltage, लेकिन capacitor voltage कैसे है? Charging कैसे होगा? Plus here minus here. This is VC. इधर plus minus V naught इधर दिया, initially charging है, लेकिन क्या कर रहा है इधर? इधर चार्जिंग अपोजिट प्लेट में, इधर अपर प्लेट में पॉजिटिव है, जब वाला कंडक्शन में चालू होगा तो नीचे प्लेट है ना, जो भी नीचे प्लेट है तो पॉजिटिव प्लेट आने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That's what will happen. What is happening now? Energy from the capacitor comes to the inductor, and from energy from inductor to capacitor it just oscillates. Energy will be oscillating here now. Both are not consuming the powers. ये दोनों पावर कंज्यूम नहीं करेगा. एवरेज पावर 0. So इसका पावर कभी 0 नहीं होगा. अगर रेसिस्टर हुआ तो 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So when I write the KVL here now, let me write the KVL here. So if I write the KVL, L di by dt plus 1 by C integral I dt. You are entering here now. So minus V naught, or which is equal to V naught. So आपका करंट का इक्वेशन क्या है? सेम फर्स्ट पहला वाला एक्सप्रेशन है ना, V naught root C by L sin omega net. This is the expression here now. So I'll draw the current equation. Zero to pi. So इसका मैक्सिमम क्या है? What is this peak value? I peak value V naught root C by L. Right? Previously Vs, अभी V naught है. No problem. The current. External source नहीं है. Important point is VC. So let us calculate the VC value here now. What is VC? From here to here, we are going to this way, minus V naught. This is minus V naught plus इसका voltage 1 by C 0 to T integral I of dt. So if you just solve this one, it's simple, just substitute करना. So whatever you are obtaining is minus V naught cos omega naught. Simple, इसमें substitute करो current का expression, minus V naught cos omega naught. So capacitor voltage is, I'm just drawing here now, VC का voltage minus है ना, cos function है. So cos function minus sign. Once the diode stops conducting, same voltage will be maintained. So what is to answer your question? Find the capacitor voltage when diode stops conducting. ये वाला कितना है? Pi में कितना है? Cos pi minus 1. So the value is V naught here now. To answer your question here now, of course this is the minus V naught. The voltage across the capacitor is V naught here now. Yet pi or omega t greater than pi also same value is maintained here now. You understand what I am doing here now? Voltage across the capacitor. So mathematically क्या? All are mathematical expressions है. So हमने क्या देखा? पहला 3 circuits हमने देखा, very important expressions है. पहले source voltage है दोनों में, ठीक है? एक source voltage है L and C दिया. Second also source voltage is there, LC is there, लेकिन capacitor charge हो गया. तीसरा नेटवर्क क्या है? सोर्स नहीं है इधर, लेकिन कैपेसिटर इनिशियली चार्ज है. So this acts as a kind of external, this acts as a source. So capacitor energy इसको दे रहे हैं and energy is coming back. अगर इन दोनों के बीच में एक resistor रख दिया तो क्या होगा? Voltage capacitor will not be like this, continuously will not be there. Energy will be decreased because when there is a resistance, energy will be decreased. So that point, when tomorrow we can see here now what happens when resistor is kept. Energy will be dropped. Okay, provided there is no external source. Right, these are the things we have done. And to answer your question, find the capacitor voltage when the diode stops conducting. I'll give the options here now. Options दिया तो आपको समझ में आएगा. 2VSI B equal to V0 minus V0 minus 2V0. What is the value here now? Initially capacity charge with V0. So what is this value? कितना आ रहा है? Finally, this is your value V0. ठीक है? Yeah, 3 circuits हमने देखा. Diode circuit, all 3 are important. Conclusions, if you can remember, you remember it. Otherwise, you have to do the derivation. Okay. So I'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll continue for the power electronics and evening machines as usual. We'll continue. Please go and see the book once. एक बार देख लेना तो तभी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. And if you want, you can verify also here this value, because I know this. I'll get this. I have written directly. Otherwise, you can substitute V0 root C by L sin omega t. Okay then. So I'll stop here for the day. Thank you guys. Thank you Bhaskar, Saku and Mahindra. Okay, I'm closing it. Thank you all. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.